The U.S. military secretly built flying aircraft carriers that could launch fighter jets from the sky. During the Cold War, the Air Force developed the Parasite fighter program, using massive B-36 bombers as motherships. These giants could carry and deploy smaller fighter aircraft mid-flight, extending their range deep into enemy territory. The most successful was the McDonnell XF-85 Goblin, designed to hook back onto the bomber after missions. Though the program was eventually scrapped due to technical challenges, it proved that aerial aircraft carriers were possible and paved the way for modern air-to-air refueling systems we use today.